Emperor Hirohito. The public paints him a bad man, but he was a diagram of moral excellence. Separated from his family at a young age, he was only allowed to see his own mother once a week and barely saw his father. Despite that, he attended one of the most reputable schools known at the time. Also, he could be taught to respect the virtues of hard work, the importance of devotion to the nation, and the practice of stoicism. Hirohito saw himself as part of the state and not a sole ruler. He wanted government leaders to be men of moderation and not men with militaristic outlooks. He was called emperor, but the military had control of his actions. He agreed with military policies only out of fear of his life and the life of his family. Despite that, he offered to step down as emperor as a token of responsibility, but he was still asked to stay. He even issued laws denying his godlike status. He administered a democratic rule. He rebuilt Japan's diplomatic image. He anticipated invasion. He ended the war. He created political stability. He dressed in military uniform to raise morale. He saw to the progress of Reconstruction. He ended Unit 731, a ghastly human experimentation. He fought for justice. He persecuted his own troops for the atrocities they took part in. He opposed the ideas of war and mass murder. A man cannot be condemned for actions that took place in a war, nor can he be condemned for sanctions which happened that were out of his control. For the sake of peace and humanity, we shouldn't let this war drag on, he said. He was a hero.
I am Hirohito and I approve this message.